In this video, I will cover a recurring question: how do I upgrade a project that is a couple of years old? So there's two different possibilities. If you still have a version 22 installed on your computer, you just start the admin. In admin, you have under the second tab an upgrade project option, and as it says here, convert an older project to 2022. Just press apply. I'll copy the path of that project over there, press select to pick up it here, like that, verify, and this is what I'm getting. Yes, looks okay. Zip the original project, you never know that we want to come back to it, and start the conversion. This will then run for a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, depends on the size of the project. That's done. Do you want to open the log file? No need. A couple of files could not be upgraded, but that's not a big issue. It's probably an old file. And indeed here, same message. And then the box will disappear. So as you see, there is a backup created just in case we ever need that again. Can close this. Now we can even open up version 25 and open up that project directly. So now we can just open this project up. I see it has been upgraded. It's just telling me it's from release 2022. Do you want to upgrade this? Yes, sure, go ahead. It will also make a little backup. This procedure might also take a couple of seconds. But once it's done, there it is. We have the project upgraded in 2025 and we can continue working on it. The second way to upgrade an older project, as long as it's not too old, I mean, you must not try to upgrade in one shot a project that would be, for example, 20 years old. That would be asking a bit too much. But here in this case, I have a project from 2020 and I would like to upgrade that in a second possible way. So the second possible way is to go to our release website, where you should have a personalized upgrade folder. So each and every person has their own upgrade folder. So whatever you put in there is yours and nobody else can see it. The idea is that you just zip your project folder. You just drop your project in there. And you just wait until it's fully upgraded.
A few minutes later.
So a few moments later, I will see my upgraded job. And we can just download it from here. I'll just drop it in the project folder. Now you do notice that it has a different extension. You have to change that extension. If you cannot see the extensions, by the way, you got the view menu, show. You can switch file extensions on and off. So here I changed that to zip. Open up this project and there I see, so I will rename the old job like this. I don't override anything and I'll just drop the converted in the project folder or just unzip it, same thing. Then we start up 2025. And we'll do exactly the same thing. Open up, same message, it's coming from 2022. Do you want to open it? Do you want to upgrade it? Yes, of course. So you see there's two different ways to upgrade your projects. Depending on the workload, if it's just one, you might want to go through 2022. If you have, of course, a dozen, probably just dropping them on the site is a much faster idea. And there we go. You can continue working.